What's up everyone? Today I will be showing you how I make coffee with my DeLonghi ECP3420. This is a very budget-friendly machine that I had purchased from Costco for around $100 6 months ago, and I must preface by saying I am a complete amateur, and this machine satisfies all my needs of just being able to make an espresso shot and also steam milk. It comes with filters for either 1 shot or 2 shots. Today I will be using the 1 shot filter. Now that everything is ready to go, put the handle in place and turn on the machine. Oh, and oops, I forgot to double check the water reservoir beforehand, and there was actually not enough water, so good thing I double checked. So the green ready light is now on, and I am ready to pull the espresso shot. And look at me with my fancy terminology. I'm just kidding. While we wait, I want to go ahead and show you my beloved Starbucks mug from Alabama. I love the color green, and I recently purchased one from Loveramics. It just feels really nice in the hand, very heavy and high quality. Coffee just tastes better in a beautiful mug. Now that the machine is ready for the steaming, let's go ahead and purge some of this extra steam and water. Now let's start steaming the milk, and I know you're supposed to hear certain types of noise, like a tss, and then I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make some bubbles in my milk, okay?